Actually, I think today I feel happy to score my first goal for the team. I think everyone has been waiting for this moment, including me myself.
Selamat malam. First of all, I want to say terima kasih for the supporters that come today to Batakan Stadium. The support of them bring extra energy for our players, so terima kasih to them. Also, I want to wish good luck to Madura team that gonna represent Indonesia on AFC Challenge League. So I wish them all the best. About the game, I think was a physical match. I think the referee need to protect the players. Sometimes make the rule for one side and make other rule for the other side. We already have many players injured, and I was afraid that more players get injured today. I think there are many fouls that must be kartu kuning and the referee not make a foul, but okay, it's Indonesia League. About the game opportunities, on the first half we have 4-5 goal attempts. I don't remember one goal attempt of Madura. On second half, we are winning. We got 2-3 chances to make the second goal. I just remember one goal attempt of them. They have corners, okay, they have some crosses, but goal attempt, I just remember one. And we have after 2 goal attempts on the last minutes, and we scored one them, and we won. I think it's important this winning because Madura have good players, and I believe that they're gonna improve now on the league table. And for our side, it's opportunity to try to recover the players. Tito was sick before, go to hospital and play some minutes and have the lucky to score a goal. Daisuke come from injured. Latir play almost 1 hour game. Come from injured, just start training with the team on 15. And this is our reality. We don't have too much players available to compete with the first lines, and when this happen, sometimes the shape of the first line go down, and we don't want this. So I hope that now we don't have too much time because we're going to play against Persebaya on 23, but I hope that these days the other players can improve, and also who's injured can recover.
Actually, I would like to say thank you for everyone that has turned up for the game. I would like to appreciate our fans always being there for us in difficult moment and good time like this. I would like also to appreciate my teammate, the technical bench, for standing together with the team in every situation that we go through. Actually, I think today I feel happy to score my first goal for the team. I think everyone has been waiting for this moment, including me myself.
Smile.
Thank you.
Yeah, is this. We don't know what's going to happen. Many players stay on Makassar to try to rehabilitate, to try to improve from the injury. Other players are here, are not 100%. We don't have too much time to prepare the match. We travel tomorrow to Makassar, and after we must travel to Makassar to Surabaya. We know that opponent team is strong team and big budget, but we're gonna try to do our best. Now, first target is to recover from this match and try to see who's better for approach the next match, because he's against who is on the first position on the league. It's going to be a very difficult match, and I think the motivation going to be high for our side because the players like to play these matches. Terima kasih.
game?
What?
Will Tito get to be a starter?
I don't know.